Hello student, how are you? I hope all of you are fine. This is very important chapter, respiration in organism. Okay? Organism. All living things are organisms. So, it is very important characteristics of organism to having respiration. As I said many times, TION. It is a process. TION is a process, respiration. Respiration is a process by which every organism receive oxygen and release carbon dioxide, either animal kingdom or plant kingdom. You should not confuse that plant also receive oxygen. Plant also take oxygen and release carbon dioxide in the process of respiration. Remember, I am not talking about the photosynthesis. In photosynthesis, plant kingdom release oxygen, but in respiration, plant also take oxygen. This should be clear. Okay, so respiration is the process of receiving oxygen and releasing carbon dioxide. It is clear. It is not only that. Okay, the complete process of respiration is after the reaching the oxygen in cell and there is glucose present. Okay, and then it reacts with that glucose and gives energy. Right now, so the ultimate function of the respiration is to give energy to the organism. Clear? In short, it is very clear. Okay? Now, the inhalation and exhalation. The inhalation and exhalation is called breathe in, breathe out. Right? Breathe in and breathe out is the process where we breathe in, breathe out. This is the breathing process, and the breathing rate, the number of breath in per minute is called, the number of breath per minute is called breathing rate. Clear? Inhalation is clear, and exhalation. Inhalation means the taking inside the oxygen is called inhalation, and releasing the carbon dioxide is called exhalation. Clear? Now, the respiration, cellular respiration, as I said, when we receive oxygen, those oxygen goes to the cell where glucose is already present after the process of digestion. You know, all the 7 systems are interrelated, interdependent to each other. Clear? So, after the digestive function, all the assimilation or the absorption, will absorb all the glucose material and transfer to the cell. And after the receiving inhalation, oxygen comes to the cell, and there they react with the glucose and release the energy. Right? So, this is the cellular respiration, because energy is going to release in cell. That's why it is called cellular respiration. Aerobic. If the energy is released due to the oxygen, okay, it's called aerobic respiration. But sometimes in the absence of oxygen, energy is also released. It's called anaerobic respiration. It is clear? Just opposite to the aerobic and anaerobic. Aerobic need required oxygen, and anaerobic do not require oxygen. Right? Breathing rate is clear? Okay? Now, for the human beings, as you know, that we do not receive all 100% of the oxygen, right now. when we inhale. So all the gases, because we take air is a mixture of gases and dust particles, water molecules. So whatever we take in that 100%, only 21% oxygen we take inside, right? Okay, and we consume only 5%. Rest of the oxygen came out after the exhalation, right? So this is the process of respiration in human beings. In aerobic respiration, now for the human beings, the nasal cavity, the nose, okay, the windpipe, all that comes to the lungs, pharynx, chest cavity, diaphragm, trachea. It is all about the human body, human organ of the respiratory system, right? So nasal cavity, as you studied in the food digestive system, there is a buccal cavity. It comes with the teeth, tongue and all the salivary gland. Here the nasal cavity comes with this nose, this shape, this opening where the hair is present there, little bit sticky, watery moisture is present there. This is all about the nasal cavity, which protect the dust particles and unwanted particles to come inside the. Okay. Now the lungs and heart both are present in our rib cage. Okay, rib cage is there. Lungs is responsible for receiving or releasing the oxygen. Right? Lungs. And the chest cavity is same. It is just like buccal cavity. It is a structure where all the teeth and the same thing is there. In the chest cavity, lungs and heart are protectively safe. Right? Rib cage is there, which hold the things, and diaphragm is from the lower side, which help us to, which give the support. Right now. Diaphragm is there. Next, the pharynx. This is the pharynx. This position is the pharynx, and trachea. It is the lower from the pharynx, right? So this is all about the human. Okay. Similarly, the other organism also having respiration. Okay. So in the cockroach, there is those having not lungs and nose, nasal cavity, those having opening the spiracles. Okay, from there they receive the oxygen. Similarly, in plant kingdom, stomata is there. Stomata is the opening. From there, plant receive the oxygen and release carbon dioxide in the process of respiration. Right now, I am not talking about the photosynthesis. Stomata is also work for the photosynthesis also, but the same opening is known as stomata in plant kingdom. Trachea. It is a network of the respiratory system in the cockroaches. Right now, gills. It is the, you have seen, it is a red-like structure present in the fish, which break the oxygen molecules which is present in the water. Okay, by this they receive the oxygen. So this is all about the respiratory system in animal kingdom or in plant kingdom also. Okay, roots also, in plant kingdom, root also receive oxygen from the ground. Right now, that's why time to time we used to till the soil so that we make the soil airy, so that from that air, from the soil, they receive the root receive the air. Right now, so this is all about the respiratory system. The most important, why do we respire? Respiration, not only us, for plant kingdom also, small creature also, big creature also, every creature, because it gives energy. Only digestion, food gives us energy, it's okay. It's okay. But it active after the respiration. Right now? Hope you understand all this. And if you have any doubt, please give me your question in my comment box. And please go through the book. And if you find any problem, please give me your question in comment box. Thank you.